Welcome back, guys. Discount Tools back again. International Tool has a sale going on till October 31st. New lower prices and select Milwaukee packout. Guys, this is a freaking phenomenal deal right now. Got, let's see if we can click on here. We also have some other spooky sales going on too. Well, let's find out the deals. Alright, so you have 5 results. You got the 15-inch packout tote for $59.99. I can tell you right now, this is a really great deal. Usually this is about over $100, I believe. And I got mine with a screwdriver set for $89.99. That was before tax. Um, so you're saving a lot more money. It's a great bag. I love it. You got plenty of room. I'll probably do an update on it then, because it's just a great bag. So if you're in the pack out line, even if you're not in it, it's a great bag to have, and get you into the pack out line. You have the 10-inch pack out tote, $40. That's a great deal. Because usually this is $99, I think, on its own. So you're saving $50 on this tote here. I mean, it's kind of small, but it's good for like electricians. Um, people where you just you need a lot of hand tools. Maybe you need your M12 uh, drills. You can fit in there. Wow, this is good too. A 20-inch pack out tool bag, $40. I mean, I've seen this in the store. I mean, I've thought about getting this, but wow, this is just a great deal, guys. And then you get the 15-inch pack out tool bag for $30. I mean, I want to say these are. I want to say they're about like half off on both of these. They're usually about $69 or $79. Um, so another great deal. And they have the dolly too. Shoosh. Um, you're saving $30 here. Usually it's $89, and I've always thought it was highly overpriced because all it is it looks kind of like it's a thicker bracket with wheels basically. And I always thought that $89.99 was ridiculously expensive for this dolly. Because you can, at times you can get the rolling pack out case for $89.99, and you actually have storage with that compared to just a dolly that you throw boxes on top of. Jeez. So got some early Christmas deals. You got to the 31st. So if you guys are interested, I'll probably put a link down below. Um, let's check some other things here. You got the all metal hardware. Yeah, this is exactly what I have. I love this bag. You even have you have 2 straps on the side, so you can put some heavier items on there, like a level. Oh, just trying to see. So I think the next one up, a 20-inch, is like $120. Let's see, pack out. Of course, I'm gonna have to go scrolling through everything. Yep, the 20-inch is $129.97. Let's see if yeah, and it's $59.99 compared to $129.99. You're saving a lot of money, guys. Um, I'll try to put the link down below for international tools for this page. But yeah, guys, great deals. I believe I don't think there's any free shipping here. Um, Looks like you get a free shipping on select Milwaukee Gator t-shirts, okay, and hats. Alright, so you're probably going to have to spend some money in order to get free shipping, but I think it's about like $6 or $10 for shipping over there anyway, so it's not that expensive if you want to buy a couple of things. So, like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Check it out on the next one. Keep on trucking, guys. See you soon. Peace.